So hapa, coming back, just come back to Jesus. Ni friend wa Park wa Kenya Power Legend life bureau Christ cast him a beer switch. Amka go to witness according to John 15 Christian, no time to slumber. Let's walk in divine work for our future to be great. No heaven the winning souls. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. That will be done as done in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive our trespasses and forgive our friends who are around us. The answer of our prayer is forgiveness. 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 I call you brothers and sisters for oneness. Psalms 1:3, without unity go not command a blessing from above. He honors fresh of those who love him. John 3:16, the power of love. John 15:16, if a man abide not in me, his cast forth as a branch and withered. I may gather them and cast them into you. Shall ask what you will, and it shall be done into you. In this my Father glorified, that you bear more fruit, and it shall be done into you. In this my Father glorified, that you bear more fruit, so that you will be my disciple, my Nani kama wewe Bwana, taking us from glory to glory. Take the word of the Spirit. A Bible wacha kusema eti unapenda God na neighbor yako analala njaa unajifanya huoni. Love kama Christ is our mentor. Then who is your father? Who's your father? Jiulize. Who's your father? Jiulize. Who's your father? Who's your father? Who's your father?